Alright, at this time we've moved over to the main clean out that we installed upstream of the sump bucket. Roughly, I would say about 20-30 feet away from the sump bucket at this time. This is the one over by, I believe, the bathroom and the refrigerator group here. At this time, we are going to go upstream and take a look at that line. I do want to make note that, as you can see, Jack pulled out a nice size root just from this clean out alone. At this time, we're going to go ahead and take a look at what the line looks like upstream, and then we will take a look downstream as well. As you can see, there's not really much upstream actually. It looks like there's some infiltration here. Mostly just some buildup. But as you can see, we are starting to get a little bit of a visual here. Now, I do believe this goes to the back wall towards the garage. As you can see, there's quite a bit of buildup right here. This definitely needs some jetting. There's a nice pile of dirt and rocks. I'm not really sure what that is actually. You see, looks like some rocks. Maybe some calcification buildup. Maybe some iron ochre. I'm not really sure what all this is here, but definitely needs to be jetted. You can't even get past this point. Alright, at this time we're going to go ahead and pull back. As you can see, it says we're roughly around 18-20 feet, so that would get us pretty close to this, maybe the bleeder wall. Don't quote me on that. We would have to locate it. But at this time we're going to go ahead and go downstream of this. Take a look at what that line looks like. Alright, at this time we are not able to get any further. We did locate this. This is roughly over by the same exact area that we couldn't get past earlier from the sump bucket going upstream. At this time, would recommend hydrojetting. We'll give some recommendations. We'll also take a look at the outside line just to make sure there's no issues with that one. But this one needs to be addressed first. At this time, we're going to go ahead and pull back. Okay, at this time, we are exactly where we were earlier, where we located. So I assume there's a nice sized root ball causing an obstruction at this time and not allowing us to get any visual or get past this point. At this time, we're going to go ahead and pull back. Would definitely recommend some jetting. We are going to go upstream and take a look at that as well. At this time, we're going to go ahead and locate this. We're not exactly sure where this is at. I think this is the back wall towards the garage, but I am not exactly sure. Okay, we located this. This is going to the back wall. Is not heading over towards the garage. So there is somewhere possibly another line. I'm not sure if it's on this part of the line that we're looking at this time, and it tees off. But this time we're going to go ahead and start to pull back and then give our recommendations.